So we're gonna do some wine tasting, and this is wine tasting lesson 101. So what do you do first?
So anyway, this 2017 Cabernet Sauvignon, I think this is a house wine.
Okay.
And so I asked them to chill this one, so we don't need to put ice. The very first thing while drinking wine, you don't need to put ice in it because it's diluted the flavor of the wine. That's why you make it twist para makita mo yung flavor niya, kasi yung aroma niya umangat.
So you need to chill first the wine, but no ice on the glass.
Yes, and you need to ask for the separate glass with the
Water.
yellow. Yeah.
With the yellow, with the ice.
So, dun yung nagbabalance ang wine.
Okay, so next, what do you do?
Cheese, I think we have some blue cheese in here. Camembert. This one is cheddar.
Okay,
This one is Edam.
and
This
then
one, I'm not sure about this one.
the orange is the cheddar.
Just the normal cheese.
This one is the blue cheese. Kana?
Camembert, and this one is parang Stilton ba to?
Okay.
Not sure, yeah.
Sige, go. The next.
Then that's it.
Sige, can you open the wine?
Okay.
Our guest, Atenea, hi! Okay,
I have
go.
a collection of four. Yeah. I have my most expensive wine, I think, is 1947. It's a Chateau Mouton, Rothschild.
Okay, so we're gonna collect this. This is a... How do you read this? Cabernet Sauvignon?
Yes.
Oh, social. Cabernet Sauvignon. Hi, what are you eating?
Gelato.
Okay. Next. So, mauna ni siya. Nag-pouring of the wine na ta.
You just tilt it when you pour. Because you need to tilt.
Tilt daw. Uy, dapat mag-tilt ka.
Yep.
And then what happens next? What will we do next?
Pag starter ka lang, you just ganyan lang. So you don't need to swirl up.
So how?
Normally, pagka starter, they just swirl it down. So you need to bring
Why?
up the aroma of the wine. You just swirl it down, so the aroma will go up. Then you
Oh, okay. And then you snip it.
then you snip, then you drink it out.
So how many minutes do we need to like this?
Swirl it. Lalabas naman. Then you snip, then you drink. There. That's how you drink wine. I think
So when do you eat the cheese?
now you can. So normally you just slice a bit, then you make tusok.
Oh, that's the that's the use of the toothpick.
Yes.
Oh, sige go, sige sample. Ikaw ay sugod.
So normally they will just slice it in small. Slice it in small. Just take it for you.
Thank you. And then eat this.
Yeah.
Okay. So mo na to siya. You need to do that. That's how you do wine, drinking wine with cheese para social galore. Thank you to our lovely guests, Irene, and our mga spectators, mga gwapang spectators, Atenea and Ate Irene also, the sangay. Yay! This is so cool. Bye. So the proper way of holding the glass is this.
It should be just 2 hands or 3 hands, or all of your fingers down to the, how to call this one?
Okay,
Yeah.
the stem of the glass.
You don't put any of your fingers up or hold it up.
So bawal,
Yeah,
not.
it's not a proper way.
Okay,
Yeah.
the correct way is,
Keep all your hands down.
yeah, like that,
Or if you're really manipis na, you can just make it into
like that.
Yeah.
2 or 3. Ah, so siya.
Manipis na medyo makapal kasi ito, so you just need to
Okay, like that. Oh, solid. So like this pala. Okay, cheers. What is that? The blue cheese? Can the kids
Yeah, of
taste
course.
that?
Halika dito, favorite ng papa mo to.
Try this. Ate, come here.
Does it taste of blue cheese for me?
It's kind of blue and cheesy.
Blue? It tastes like blue?
Yeah, I think.
Then you tell me what does it taste.
It's really soft, no? Compared sa cheddar, the blue cheese is softer.
Is that
How?
yours?
How?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't like?
This is something ugly.
How about you, Ate Nea? How is it? How was it?
Taste kasi siya.
Cheese?
Yeah, the blue
You
cheese.
like?
Yeah, it's soft, right?
There
How about
is-
the others? The other cheese.
Let her try this one. Na. Okay, try this one. Wait.
Cheddar.
Yeah. This is the cheddar. This one is the Edam.
Ah, kana cheddar na siya.
This one is cheddar.
Oh, sige, can I have one too?
Yes.
No, you.
Murag daghan may cheddar sa house, we. Pero, nganong orange man ni?
Yeah. It should be orange siya. Ano, sa Netherlands, where the cheese came from, it's orange in color. And cheddar is the most cheapest form of cheese. Kaya siya yung ginagamit sa mga spaghetti.
Pero mas bitter ang taste no mo gini ang real taste niya sa cheddar. Ah, so this is how the cheddar cheese tastes like.
This one actually may parang off smell siya katil siya, pero yun yung pinakaano niya, parang bakit siya mahal. Fungi yun, yung blue.
Okay, so now we are eating fungi.
Yes.
A social kind of fungi. This is goat milk, no? Ang blue cheese.
Oo, yeah.
Parang goat yata, no?
Ay, pero feta ang goat eh. Feta
Feta cheese.
ang goat.
How about that? What is that?
This
Oh, nakataste na ko na, no?
Hindi ko
Ganiha.
alam. Try this one. This one is common goat. Try this one. I like this one.
Matabang, no? It's
My favorite cheese
Bland.
is the soft brie. B-R-I-E. Very soft siyang cheese. She don't like the ano. She don't like the blue cheese. Favorite ni Tito Paul yan.
sige, this one. What's the
Edam.
Edam?
Yeah.
Okay. We will see. Okay, let's cut it into little bits. Can you cut it, Ate Nea? Para finger na tanan, finger food na. Mas ganahan ko sa blue cheese. Mas softer, mas kuan ang blue cheese, no?
Favorite ng papa niya. Hindi pa siya
So where do
matagal
you
sa-
see the date?
Okay,
Kung how old is the wine?
So here, most of the time they would actually put the year of the wine, and that's how they price it.
Ah,
So
okay.
when the wine is more older, you'll see the price is more higher. So this one is just a 2-year-old wine.
So that's a 2-year-old wine.
So I think this one is not yet probably not yet aged. So I mean,
So what is the ideal year or old of the wine?
I wanted to do some vertical wine tasting of 2000 series. So I love the 2000 series.
Okay, 2000.
Yun yung, pero medyo mahal na yung price niya kasi.
So from Australia, compare Australia and French wines.
French is mahal, mas mahal.
Mas
sa
mahal.
Australia.
Tapos,
At I'm not sure where
Mas
this one
mahal,
come
but the
from.
taste, how was it?
It's quite comparable naman, they both. Pero parang kasi ang ang land ng France is more, kasi yun, parang mas maganda yung land nila.
Okay. So the wine is like bitter, more bitter, more sweet, or
Ang rosé is the parang pink in color. That one is, they call it rosé, but yung spelling niya is rose. Matamis
rosé.
yun, oo. So rosé ang nun. Merlot, rosé, they are all sweet.
Merlot? That's how you say it, Merlot, the Merlot.
Merlot. It's Merlot. Merlot. So my favorite is
Merlot.
my
Merlot
favorite
din.
is Syrah. Shiraz, actually. So they pronounce it as Syrah. So it's Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon. May Sauvignon Blanc rin, puti yun, white wine siya.
Okay. Pag pumunta kayo sa winery, may bayad ba yon?
Mahal siya.
How much?
Mahal lang.
Entrance per head?
Siguro mga 10,000.
Okay, so how many hours do you stay there when you go wine?
We took the 3 winery. So,
In a day?
winery nalasing ako kasi we need to try.
Magwa-wine
Sa
tasting kayo?
Sa isang
Winery?
parang 7 types of wine. From
Okay.
rosé, champagne, red wine, white wine. Tapos yung years niya.
So yung most favorite mo?
Cabernet talaga.
So this is lami.
This one is a bit parang oak, medyo oak yung ano niya, yung taste niya. Hindi siya bitter, may mas bitter pa sa kanya. So, nasa middle range yung lasa lang niya. Oak, more on oak yung lasa niya.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'm collecting the cork.
Sige,
Kasi
go.
mahal ang cork. If you will Google it, yung oak tree, sobrang 10 years siya bago i-harvest. Yung oak
Okay.
tree nito. Bago magawa
Okay.
to. Every 10 years lang. Pinipil siya, yung tree, tapos tinatanggal yung ano niya.
Really?
Pinaprocess nila into this.
So how do you keep it? I mean, how do you collect it?
I have this one, transparent one, and I just put all of those. Ang ganda niya pagka naka-up na siya.
So how many did you collect na?
I think I have thousands.
Wow. So you drank a lot of wine.
Yes, every weekends, every time. I just want.
So what's the positive or the benefit of drinking wine?
Wine is for health and it's for blood circulation. It makes your mental health.
Okay. But this is 7.5%, right?
Yeah.
So this has
7.
alcohol. It's 13%.
It's 13 actually, 750. Oo, 15 na ang alam ko. Medyo mataas.
Okay.
Halika dito,
So
Victoria.
that's a good idea of collecting this one, cork. Ano sa kitawagan? How do you call this?
Corkscrew.
Corkscrew. Okay. So I will be thinking maybe I will reconsider this collection.
Yep.
But not now.
And one
Pero
last,
it's nice. It's a nice idea, right?
last parang learning about wine. When the wine has a cork, it's more expensive. So when a wine bottle open lang siya, hindi siya.
Okay.
It's not really a red wine. I mean, it's not top of the range wines. I mean, it's just like a normal
Cheaper wine. Oh.
So when you buy wine, you make sure that you're buying the cork type
Okay.
of wine.
Okay.
You'll see first
So good tip for today. When you buy wine, make sure the wine has a cork cap, because the cork signifies that this is an expensive wine, like that. So this one is a Cabernet Sauvignon. Social na takaron. So na, unsa na to atong red wine? Wala lang. Unsa to? Mayra. Or Novelino. In your own personal opinion, why does cheese and wine go together?
Because it complements the taste of
How?
the fruit and the cheese.
The
milk.
fungi?
Yeah.
Joke.
Actually, it complements each other. So, pagka pinagsama mo sila, and the pate, it's actually called pate in France. France. Yeah, so that one in Filipino, it's the liver spread lang siya.
Okay.
But then when you go to the wine restaurant, they call it pate. And the best pate is champagne pate.
Champagne pate. So I'm gonna search for it.
Yeah.
Champagne
Wala sila.
pate.
I wanted to order one, but they don't have.
Okay. Okay, so how about wine with rice? What can you say? Wine with a meal.
I haven't tried it.
So they don't complement each other. So when you eat like dinner, you cannot just drink any wine.
Yeah. Actually, wine.
So you just drink soft drinks. Joke.
Wine is on red meat lang siya talaga. White meat is for the chicken, fish. For red meat, it's red wine. So that's
So
how they
it's
pair
okay.
it. Yeah.
So when you have dinner, you have wine, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's good. I don't drink any other drinks, just wine only. I'm not a drinker. I'm not a drunken fella or something.
Social.
I just drink wine only.
Okay, how about us? Ako rin di ay. Oh my God. Me, I'm a drinker. Atenea, how about you?
I don't drink.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're sick.
Tubig lang siya.
Okay, go. Wala naman may adults accompanied. Uy, it's so unfair. Wala ko
Puro bata yung ano.
Kasi lasinggero kasi kami. Joke. Okay. It's a good experience.